Gray-faced buzzard. Meet Sawi, the gray-faced buzzard. This is the first bird that will be illustrated here and is the outcome of the collaboration between Raptor Watch Network Philippines and Philippine Wildlife Art. Sawi is the local name for the gray-faced buzzard in many communities in the Philippines. It is also a migratory bird. This means it travels a long distance for food and to survive. Sawi parents meet and lay eggs in places like Japan and northern China and Russia, where they love to live in valleys with lots of rice terraces and forests. The valley views and rice land offers them a lot of food from frogs, reptiles, insects, and even the Maya bird. When winter arrives around September and October in Japan, Russia, and China, it starts to get cold. Food is also not as readily available for the Sawi, so they begin their trip southward to places like the Philippines and New Guinea. Can you imagine traveling hundreds of kilometers or miles just to live? The Sawi do this every year with the other raptor species too. They travel for as far as 300 kilometers or 180 miles between islands. When they are finally in the south, in places such as the Philippines, they enjoy the nice weather and eat lots of food. If you arrive from a very long trip, you would rest and eat a lot too. Sawi are important for people along its migratory route or flyway. In the Philippines, they also help in maintaining a balance in our environment. Sawi provide ecosystem services. These are services that are provided for free and benefits everyone. One of these services is pest control. Farmland in the Philippines and in parts of Asia where Sawi migrate or live can have lots of pests. Sawi help farmers by eating many of these insects such as grasshoppers, beetles, and other species that attack coconut trees, rice fields, and kamote or sweet potato. Another service Sawi provide and for free is population control of other species that may bring diseases or germs to people and pets. They eat rodents, snakes, and other species that could be carriers of illnesses that affect people. For some communities and towns, they also provide a potential for ecotourism. Bird watchers and nature lovers, both locally and from other countries, come to see birds in the Philippines, especially migratory birds like Sawi. The northern town of Sanchez Mira in Cagayan province is part of the migratory route or flyway for Sawi. Bird watchers visit Cagayan and even Ilocos to watch for Sawi as they travel. Even local hunting of Sawi slows down as awareness of nature tourism and the Sawi increases. If organized sustainably by the local governments, Sawi and other migrating species can be observed during the migratory season. As you can imagine, life for migrating Sawi is long and challenging. All along the flyway, Sawi as well as other migratory birds are threatened from country to country. In Taiwan, Sawi are also hunted due to a long-held tradition of hunting in some communities there. Agricultural development and timber harvesting in northeast China has also affected Sawi in those areas. While in Japan, Sawi have been affected by a decrease in rice production and were given a vulnerable status in the country. Help watch out for the raptors. Raptor Watch Network Philippines studies Sawi and other raptor species in the Philippines. They are a voluntary-led group of nature lovers and scientists who help us understand Philippine raptors and their importance. They also work with local communities such as those in Cagayan Province or Sarangani Province for the awareness-raising work and ecotourism tours. In March 2020 alone, a local backyard count conducted by Cagayan State University and Raptor Watch Network Philippines counted over 27,000 Sawi. They were able to conduct the count safely from their homes during the coronavirus lockdown. Sawi's livable environment leads to our livable environment. JSPB will continue to support the activities for conservation of raptors of the Philippines such as gray-faced buzzard and Chinese sparrow hawk.